Hey Zoe, you look exhausted today. Did you sleep okay last night?
Not really, honestly. I kept waking up every couple of hours. I have no idea what's going on with me lately.
That happens to me when I have too much on my mind. Are you stressed about something specific?
Probably work. I have this huge presentation tomorrow morning, and I just cannot switch off no matter what I do.
I totally understand that feeling. Have you tried having any kind of routine before bed, like putting your phone away early?
I know I should, but I always end up scrolling for at least an hour. I tell myself 5 minutes, and then suddenly it's midnight.
I used to do the exact same thing. I started leaving my phone in the kitchen at night, and it honestly made a massive difference.
Really? Doesn't it bother you not having it nearby? I think I'd feel anxious without it.
At first, yes, definitely. But after about a week, I started sleeping so much better. I even started waking up before my alarm naturally.
That sounds incredible. I wake up feeling more tired than when I actually went to bed. It makes no sense.
You should also try going to bed at the same time every single night. Your body loves consistency more than anything.
My schedule is completely all over the place. Some nights I'm still up at 2 a.m. trying to finish things.
That's exactly the problem. Your body never knows when it's supposed to rest and when it needs to be alert.
You're completely right. I think I need to be much more disciplined about the whole thing.
Just start small. Pick a bedtime, stick to it for 1 week, and see how differently you feel by the end.
Okay, I'm going to try. Tonight, I'll leave my phone in the kitchen. That's my first step, starting now.
Perfect. And good luck with the presentation tomorrow. You're going to do great, I'm sure of it.
Thank you so much, Liam. I genuinely needed this conversation today. I feel a bit better already.
So, Felix, how is the new job going? You started about a month ago now, right?
Yeah, just over a month. Overall, it's going pretty well, but there is honestly so much to take in all at once.
That's completely normal. The first few months at any new job are always a little overwhelming, no matter how experienced you are.
It's not really the work itself that's challenging, it's more figuring out the people and the whole company culture.
Absolutely. Every company has its own unwritten rules, and you have to pick those up just by observing, which takes real time.
Exactly. Like, I'm still not sure how formal or casual I should be in my emails, depending on who I'm writing to.
Oh, that is such a real thing. I remember spending a ridiculous amount of time in my first month deciding between hi and dear.
Yes, and when do you CC someone versus just sending directly? I always second guess every single decision I make.
I promise it becomes total second nature after a while. You stop thinking about it and just do it automatically.
I hope so. My manager has been really supportive though, which honestly makes everything so much easier to deal with.
Having a good manager makes an enormous difference. It can genuinely change your entire experience of a job.
100%. She always finds time for my questions, even when she clearly has a million things going on herself.
That is actually quite rare. Hold on to that. A lot of people spend years without ever having a manager like that.
I know, my last manager was the complete opposite, cold, unapproachable, and never had time for anyone on the team.
That kind of environment is so draining. I've been there before, and it completely kills your motivation over time.
It really does. I used to dread walking through the door every single morning. Now I actually look forward to going in.
That is exactly how work should feel. You're in a much better situation now, even if it doesn't always feel that way.
You're right. I think I had just forgotten what it was supposed to feel like to actually enjoy your job.
Good morning. Welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Hi there. I'd love a medium cappuccino, please. Is it possible to get oat milk instead of regular?
Absolutely. No problem at all. Would you like any flavored syrup added to that?
Oh, actually, yes, please. Could I get just 1 pump of vanilla? Not too sweet, though.
Perfect. 1 pump it is. And can I get you anything to eat alongside that this morning?
What would you recommend? I'm quite hungry, but I don't want anything too heavy before work.
Our avocado toast has been really popular lately. It comes with cherry tomatoes, a poached egg, and chili flake on top.
Oh, that sounds absolutely perfect. Yes, please. I'll definitely take that as well.
Wonderful choice. Can I grab a name for the order so I can call it out when it's ready?
Of course. It's Owen.
Great, Owen. That'll be around 5 to 7 minutes. Feel free to wait at the far end of the counter.
Thank you. Quick question while I wait. Is the Wi-Fi password still the same as last week?
It actually changed just recently. The new one is written on the chalkboard near the entrance, the little blue sign below the menu.
Oh, perfect. I can see it from here. Thank you so much for that.
Of course. Also, just so you know, we have a loyalty stamp card. Every 10th coffee is completely on us.
I had no idea about that. Yes, please, I'd love one. I come in pretty much every single morning.
Then you'll have a free coffee before you know it. I'll pop the card in with your order.
You're so kind, thank you. This is genuinely my favorite place in the whole neighborhood.
That really means a lot to hear. We love having regulars like you. Your order is just about ready now.
Oh my goodness, I cannot believe my eyes. Theo, is that actually you? It has been absolutely forever.
Maya, I know, I can't believe it either. It must be at least 3 years since we last saw each other properly.
At least 3. You look fantastic, by the way. Seriously, you haven't changed at all.
You're far too kind. I feel like so much has happened since we last spoke. I don't even know where to begin.
Then start right from the beginning. Last time we talked, you were seriously thinking about moving abroad. Did you ever do it?
I actually did it, Maya. I packed everything up and moved to Barcelona, spent 2 full years there, and it was the best decision I have ever made in my life.
No way. Are you serious? That is incredible. What finally pushed you to actually take that leap and go?
I just hit a point where I thought to myself, if not now, then honestly, when? I had no major commitments holding me back, and I'd always dreamed about living somewhere in Europe.
I genuinely admire that so much. I have always wanted to do something bold like that, but have never been brave enough to actually follow through.
It was absolutely terrifying at first. I barely spoke any Spanish, and I arrived not knowing a single person in the entire city.
That sounds so daunting. How on earth did you manage to build a life there from scratch like that?
You just figure it out as you go. I enrolled in language classes, found some expat groups online, and slowly but surely started building real connections.
And what eventually brought you back home? Did you always plan on coming back eventually?
Honestly, it was family. My mom got quite ill, and I knew I needed and wanted to be close to home during that time.
Oh, Theo, I'm so sorry to hear that. That must have been such a difficult decision to make. How is she doing now?
She's doing so much better now, thank you for asking. But it was a real wake-up call for all of us about how precious time with family actually is.
I'm really glad she's recovered. It's so true. We take the people we love most completely for granted until something happens.
Exactly. But enough about me. I've been talking nonstop. What has been going on in your life, Maya? Tell me everything.
Adam, I heard you just got back from Japan. How was it?
Honestly, one of the best trips of my life. I'm still not over it.
Really? What made it so good?
Everything just felt different there. The food, the people, the whole vibe of the place.
I've always wanted to go, but never actually pulled the trigger on it.
You should. It's completely unlike anywhere else I've ever been.
What surprised you the most?
How calm everything is. Massive cities, but somehow so quiet and orderly. No one rushing around losing their mind.
That sounds like the opposite of here, honestly.
Ha, completely. And the food. I thought I knew Japanese food, but what you get there is on another level.
Were you eating sushi the whole time?
So much more than sushi. Ramen, yakitori, street food at midnight. Every meal was an event.
Okay, you're making me very hungry right now.
The temples in Kyoto are something else too. I'm not a spiritual person at all, but something about them just gets you.
Were there loads of tourists everywhere?
In some spots, yes, but you walk 10 minutes off the main path and suddenly you're completely alone. It's incredible.
How long were you there?
2 weeks. Still felt too short. I'm already looking at going back.
Right. I'm booking flights tonight. Send me your recommendations.
Already on it. You're gonna love it.
So cool. How's the Spanish coming along? You've been at it a while now, right? About 8 months. I can finally have a basic conversation without completely panicking. 8 months is actually not that long. That's good progress. Doesn't feel like it some days. Some days I feel like I know absolutely nothing. I think that's just part of learning a language. What are you doing to practice? Online classes twice a week, an app every morning, and I watch stuff in Spanish at night. That's a solid routine. Is the app actually useful or just something you do out of habit? A bit of both. It keeps things ticking over, even on days I don't do much else. I tried learning Italian a few years back and gave up after 3 months. What went wrong? Just lost motivation. I wasn't using it for anything real, so it started feeling pointless. That's the thing. You need a real reason to keep going. Mine is that I want to move to South America. Oh, that's a proper goal. No wonder you're sticking with it. When I imagine actually living there, it keeps me going through the frustrating days. Are you talking to actual native speakers yet, or still just studying? Yeah, I found a language exchange partner online. We do a video call once a week. She practices English, I practice Spanish. That's such a smart idea. Is it nerve-wracking? Every single time. But it teaches you things no class or app ever could. Real conversation is just different.
Hi, good morning. I have an appointment at 10:30.
Morning. Name, please?
James Harrington.
Got it. Yes, you're seeing Dr. Patel today. Can I ask what's brought you in?
I've had this headache that just won't go away. About 10 days now.
Is it constant or does it come and go?
Comes and goes. Worst in the mornings, eases off a bit in the afternoon.
Any other symptoms? Nausea, dizziness, anything with your vision?
A little nausea on a couple of days. Nothing too bad. Vision seems fine.
Have you taken anything for it?
Just paracetamol. It helps for a bit, but then it always comes back.
Okay, make sure you tell all of that to Dr. Patel when you go in.
Will do. Should I be worried, do you think?
That's really for the doctor to say. Most things like this turn out to be pretty straightforward.
Yeah, I know. I kept telling myself it would go away on its own, and then 10 days passed.
It happens. Better to get it checked properly than keep waiting.
True. How long is the wait, roughly?
Maybe 10 minutes. Dr. Patel is just finishing up with someone.
Perfect. No rush. Thanks for your help.
Of course. Take a seat and help yourself to water if you need it. Hey, Rachel, you okay? You look a bit off today. Not really. It's been an awful day, and it's only 11 a.m. Oh no, what happened? I spilled coffee all over my shirt on the way in. Had to come to work looking like this. Oh, that's the worst, especially first thing in the morning. And then I missed the bus, so I was 20 minutes late. Did your boss say anything? Of course he did. Made a big deal out of it in front of everyone. That's so unnecessary. It happens to everyone. Right? And then I realized I left my lunch at home, so I have nothing to eat. Okay, that's genuinely a terrible morning. I'm sorry. I just want to go back to bed and start the whole day over. Do you want half of my sandwich? I have way too much food today. Are you serious? That would actually save my life right now. Of course, it's just cheese and tomato, but it's yours. You have no idea how much that helps. Thank you. Bad days happen. They always end, though. That's the thing. I really needed to hear that. Okay. Deep breath. I can do this. You can. And hey, at least it's Friday tomorrow. Oh, thank God. I completely forgot about that. So whatever happens today, tomorrow you can sleep in and forget all about it. That is the best thing anyone has said to me all day. Ha, low bar, but I'll take it. Honestly, though, thank you. I was feeling really sorry for myself. That's allowed sometimes, just don't stay there too long. Good advice. Okay, I feel slightly more human now. Good. Now eat the sandwich before it gets cold. Yes, sir. Thanks, Liam. Seriously, you're a good one.
Hey, Sophia, you all right? You seem really tense right now.
I have a job interview in an hour, and I'm absolutely terrified.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. What's the job?
Marketing manager at a big agency downtown. It's kind of my dream job, honestly.
Wow, that's huge. No wonder you're nervous.
I've been preparing for 2 weeks, and now my mind is just completely blank.
That always happens right before. It doesn't mean you're not ready.
I keep thinking about everything that could go wrong.
Like what?
Like forgetting what I want to say, or saying something stupid, or just freezing completely.
Have you ever frozen in an interview before?
Once, years ago, it was mortifying and I never forgot it.
That was years ago, though. You're a completely different person now.
I know, but my body doesn't seem to remember that.
What have you prepared so far?
I've researched the company, practiced all the common questions, prepared some examples from my work.
That sounds really thorough. You've done the work, Sophia.
I just wish my heart would stop racing.
Take a slow breath, like actually, right now. In through the nose.
Okay, in and out. Okay, that actually helps a little.
Nervous energy is just excitement with the wrong label on it.
Where did you hear that?
I read it somewhere, but it's true, isn't it?
I mean, kind of, yeah. I am excited too, underneath all the panic.
Hold on to that part. Walk in there excited, not terrified.
Easy for you to say.
I know, but you applied for this job for a reason. You wanted it. Remember that feeling.
You're right. I really do want this.
Then go show them why they should give it to you.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Text me after. I want to know everything.
Deal. Wish me luck.
You don't need it, but good luck anyway.